hopefully you're all staying safe. And as I always mentioned, consumers are wondering whether you are open or not. And Google made it a little bit confusing as well, because by default, whenever somebody Googles you, they always get this message on your Google listing. Verify info with this place. Hours or services may differ due to COVID-19. Now people are wondering, are you open or not, right? And this is obviously true for restaurants, anything. It always shows, hey, verify info with this place. So nobody knows whether you're open or not. Then it's actually, you can get rid of that message. Let me show you how. It's very easy. So what you do is you log into your Google listing. It's google.com/business. You go to info. Then under here, your actual hours, you hit the little special hour button and you add dates, right? For example, on the 25th, you're open, right? 24 hours. Usually it's a little bit manual, right? But for sure, people know that you are open 24/7, right? Then once you apply, it will not show that message, verify info with this place anymore on those special dates. On those dates. So this is what I would recommend you do, just to less confusion. And any questions, feel free to reach out.